Hello and welcome to another project between the projects. Specifically the lamp project, as you can see here, which is mostly done except for any wiring and any stuff in the bottom of this tray, which is supposed to be leather, but I don't think I've got enough leather details. The switch is going to go here, which is sort of mounted up here, and in this bit here there is a wireless phone charger, which I've already finished. So that's going to be the project between the project, which you're going to watch now, hopefully. And then when this is all finished, the phone charger will be there and it'll be a complete thing. Does that make sense? Makes sense to me. Project between the project. Go.